Jenny Stress TV me na akwa papa biom ene so ya saba biom Tracy Boache na Kennedy Japan asemi ya ekoso ya trendy na munyina mu se Kennedy ko ka se Tracy Boache mahama atodan man emani yensem bebre ma Tracy Boache eba bonti bedi ti yen Papa Kennedy Japan atem na Kennedy Japan ko interview bi na obi busa no mu busa say ye den ne ba ya afide ko fans na so ono mpo no ke di agora Tracy Gawe e fan twintwan no na osanso ka say ko onim die ntia Tracy fan sana asem we kura na agro no odi agro e na Tracy ababo ntia believe comment abetro abepa o sisi de finally wa pa cha na asem o kan ni say joking really okay honorable Kennedy Japan I beg you not to joke with such issue again, especially during an election period. No politician has bought any house nor cars for me. My man is not a politician. I'm also sorry for the harsh and disrespectful words I use for you. You are like a father to me and I'm a daughter. So sorry, and please, such jokes are too expensive. Thank you. So oamunim commenting in the reading and wo and nindam when you swa motion or patch or say sa joke we expensive and what the man Kennedy Japan and yes I joke we no be no what dia what car aman seminyanum trend we na ekoso and I'm saying my family na me bom munti some wo na subscribe ya me pa mo subscribe for new news, for new update, for new trends. I was Jenny Stress TV. So, Madam Asipa, bye bye.